welcome back to our channel. Florals are a classic and charming way to instantly take your event decor to the next level. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple and elegant floral table runner that you can use for weddings, birthdays, and other special celebrations. Let's begin. Begin by placing your flower panel with the grid facing up. Then, place a pool noodle horizontally and zip tie it about 1/4 of the way longways. This will act as a base for the extra flowers and eucalyptus stems I'll be adding. Next, I'm folding the flower panel in half and securing the panels together using a zip tie at the ends and the middle of the panel. Add another panel and repeat the first 2 steps. Then, zip tie the 2 panels tightly to one another. Make sure to cut off any excess zip ties. Once the pool noodle is completely covered, I'm adding 2 more flower panels to the runner, this time without a pool noodle to create a cascading effect. I'm adding some of our DIY foam flowers to add texture and dimension to the runner, as well as a pop of color. Be sure to cover the end of the runner with flowers for a flawless look. Lastly, I'm adding in some eucalyptus stems to add a bit of height and contrast to the design. This do-it-yourself floral runner can be customized to complete any table decor idea. I use disco balls here, but you can tie in any party theme by adding matching accents to your runner. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thanks again!